This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm at the corner of Briar and Broadway in Lakeview East, looking at the terrific strip of one-of-a-kind shops, restaurants, bars, a lively, fun scene with great public transit. Mariano's and Export Fitness are a short block south, and I'm headed a half block east for a walk through one of the apartments at 515 West Briar. I just walked into apartment 203, looking toward a bay window at blonde plank flooring that extends throughout the apartment. There's a ceiling fan, radiator heat, baseboard, and crown moldings. A few vintage touches here. Turning right, looking at the kitchen, Euro-style cabinets, white appliances, including a 4-burner gas range, stainless steel sink, and stainless steel counter. Nice sized living dining area. There's a closet off to my right, and 2 built-ins as I head toward the bath and bedroom. Bath has a translucent window. It's a wall-mounted medicine cabinet, fresh, new-looking vanity, dome lighting up above. Bedroom has plenty of space to accommodate any size bedding, additional furniture, and it has 2 closets with both shelving and hanging space. 515 Briar has a very appealing Lakeview East location. It's pet friendly, has a small business center, variety of updated apartments. Definitely belongs on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.